Today we are making a super easy, super simple lunchbox recipe, and I'm here to introduce our new chef, Amani.
Hey!
Let's put on the yellow hat. Amani, is this okay?
Yes.
Over to Amani.
My name is Amani and today we're making some super easy, super simple pizza cones. Let's get into it. First things first is filling. Turn off the stove.
You need some help?
Of course not. And let's put it on medium heat. Then goes the oil. Chicken in, ginger garlic paste, my favorite, tikka masala. Now let's mix. Not too much, not too less. Oh wait, I forgot the lemon juice. Let that flavor come together. Here's Mama's tip. You have to cook it for 3 to 4 minutes for nice juicy chicken. Because if we cook it for too long, it won't be juicy. And if we cook it for too less, it will be raw. This is done, flame off. Set aside and cool down. So now we need to make the actual bread part. So we need fresh bread. Here is our beautiful bread. First, we need to cut the edges. So I'm using this knife with parental supervision. Do not do this at home without parental supervision. Watch carefully how I'm cutting it, because if you cut it the wrong way, it won't turn out as good. There we go. Okay, so we're not gonna waste these because our chicken love them and so do I. So now we have our bread. It's pretty nice. Now we're going to use this prototype rolling pin that you can maybe get at fusionhome.pk a bit later, and I'm lucky enough to use it. You have to roll it pretty flat, but not too flat that it crumbles. Turn it. And we're going to roll it again. Both of the corners get flattened. Rolling is done. So now we need to make the cone. So I'm going to take my 3 fingers and put it like this. Take the bread with my other hand and put it right like that. Now we're going to apply some water on the seam. When you close it, you have to make sure it's properly in the shape of a cone. So now we have to pinch at the bottom. But since my fingers can't reach, I have a trick for you. So you're going to take something like this, put it through, and then you're just going to pinch. And there we go. Now we have a beautiful cone. For this recipe, you're gonna need kulfi stands that you can buy at fusionhome.pk with the kulfi molds, because the cones won't stand without a stand. Understand? So now, cones on. We need some pizza sauce. Observe carefully how I'm doing it. And now I'm going to use the brush. Spread it in there. So now you have to make sure that you have to get all of it out from the bottom. Baba, can you please preheat the oven at 180 degrees, both grills?
Okay, beta.
Now, let's fill these cones up and get crazy, because it's pizza science, not rocket science. So first, I'm adding a layer of chicken in each of them. Oops. You'll speed this up, right? Now we're gonna add a layer of cheese. The best part. There's no such thing as pizza without cheese. And now another layer of chicken. Here's the tip. Make some extra chicken, because half of it you'll be eating. And now I'm gonna make another one with veggies. Some corn, onion, and capsicum. Sprinkle some oregano, whatever you call it. There we go. And if you like spicy stuff, add some chili flakes. Now I need to call my Baba. Baba!
Yes, beta.
I'm done.
You've done an amazing job. I really love these.
You need to put these in the oven.
Okay, for how long?
In testing we did for 10 minutes. So 10
minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes this goes into the oven at 180 degrees, both grills on. We'll be back with the baked pizza cones. Beta, it's done, Ajo.
Okay.
Be careful, it's hot.
So these look amazing. Obviously, you have to plate it, take some nice pictures. So I'm going to try it after that. But luckily, you don't have to wait.
Well, where are these two?
I put them in my lunchbox.
Oh, okay. Are you confident that these good?
Yeah.
So let's give this a try.
I love it.
Amazing. This is really good. Good job, Amani.
Okay, I'm off to school and I have my lunchbox with my pizza cones and I have some extras for my friends so they can try it and say, "Arey, wah." Okay, see you in the next one. Bye.